Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. Today I have a nighttime clean with me where I am taking down the Christmas tree and all of the Christmas decor in our house. I'm so sad. I did not want to do this. I kept pushing it off and procrastinating just because I love decorating for Christmas. I love my house during the holiday season, and to just take it all down, the house feels empty for a good month or so. I just feel like it's missing something until I get used to the new normal. But it is time. It's, January. We're past the holidays. The Christmas tree has to go. So I'm taking down all of our Christmas stuff today, and it is nighttime. I only gave myself 1 hour, and whatever I got done in 1 hour is what I got done, and I was going to be happy. I got something done. It might not be perfect, but it's done. And I ended up finishing around 10:30, so just about an hour. And the only room I was able to get done was the living room, but at least that part is done, and then I can do the rest of them, the next day. I also wanted to tell you guys, in my Christmas Decorate With Me, I talked a little bit about the fake snow that I sprayed onto the tree. I really loved the way it looked, but you guys, the dust and the almost a smoke that was coming off of the tree when I was putting that tree together or pulling it down was intense. So just so you know, that fake snow that you buy, it looks really pretty, but when you move it after it's kind of settled into the tree or whatever you put it on, it's going to just kind of fall apart. So I don't know if I'll do that again. I'm hoping next Christmas I can get a new tree. I want to get a flocked tree, pre-flocked, so I don't have to do it, but we'll see what happens. We'll see where we're at next year.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
And I have a lot of questions about the cleaning items that I use in my house, and I am going to do a video for you guys of just my favorite cleaning items that I just cannot live without. And I know that you're watching this, and I'm sure there's probably going to be somebody that says, ooh, you shouldn't put that on the TV. But here's my deal. I have a toddler, and the TV is at toddler fingerprint level. So I've never had any issues with what I use on the TV ruining the screen or anything like that, or leaving streaks. So I'm just going to keep continuing on with that, just because I'd rather have it clean versus toddler sticky fingerprints all over the TV. But anyways, I am going to come out with a video of kind of my favorite cleaning items, and hopefully you guys will enjoy that. I do also want to say one of my favorites is the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. And you guys, I am so upset because I forgot to stock up on the Snowdrop scent. I think it's a Snowdrop scent, before they got completely sold out. So I'm going to have to wait, and hopefully, fingers crossed, Target will have it next year, or they'll release it, you know, at every place that sells Mrs. Meyer's next year. I'm really bummed. If you know of any place that still has it in stock, please let me know, because I'm just like very carefully using the rest of what I have, like really thinking about it before I use it, because I'm trying to make it last as long as possible. But I guess I have like a cleaning problem, so you know, I'm sure not everybody is like that. Anyways, I'm going ahead and vacuuming before I bring out the lamp. We have a lamp that usually sits here, and obviously when the tree is up, the lamp goes in the other room, and then I'm just going to bring it back out because for whatever reason in the evening, this room is so hard to keep lit and have a lot of light in it, so it just needs several lamps. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. The light that is in the ceiling, it's a ceiling fan light, just does not produce enough light for the entire room. So I'm all about the lamps, and I love this lamp. But we'll just put that one back in the corner, and then we'll finish up vacuuming, and I think we'll be almost done with this room.
And we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Something new that Sean and I have started just about a week ago is doing our morning prayers and devotionals together. So we wake up just a little bit earlier than Sophia and sit in the living room and do our Bible readings and all of that together as a couple, and just kind of reflect on those things. So those books that I have right there are our Bible, our parenting devotional book, and I just wanted those to be out front and center to remind us, as a reminder to, you know, continue doing that. So, plus it's a really pretty Bible. Anyways, our room is clean. There's no more Christmas. It's been un-Christmas-fied, if that's even a word, which I know it's not. But it's clean, it's simple, and I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.